Hey guys, welcome back to our last and final video in this tutorial series Introduction to Docker. Today we are going to talk about how to push the Docker image to Docker registry. So let's get started. So last time we had, if you have seen the tutorial, last time we created Docker image called node version with the tag latest. Now today we are going to push that image to public Docker registry called Docker Hub. So, you can go to hub.docker.com, which is a public Docker registry maintained by docker.com. It's free for everybody. So, I'm already logged into my account. If you are using it for the first time, I highly recommend to create an account. Now, once you create an account, you will need to log in to this registry by Docker login command, and you will provide docker.io. Obviously, you will have to provide your credential when you are running Docker login. In my case, I was already logged in. It has identified my credential and I'm in now. Now, before we push our Docker image, let's learn a little bit about what is Docker image, why to push Docker image to Docker registry, right? So as name suggests, Docker registry is the place where we can upload all the images. And as this is the public registry, if you click on Explore, you will see that there are Docker images uploaded by, different companies like Oracle has uploaded or Docker image for Oracle database. You will see Docker image for MySQL, Postgres, Ubuntu, Redis, and pretty much all the software which are containerized. You will be able to see that Docker image on Docker Hub, right? Now, some advantages of a Docker image is that they are layered, right? And and every time when you make a change in your Docker image, right, it will create a new layer, or it will replace a new layer with old layer. So every time consecutively when you push new version of your Docker image, instead of replacing everything, it will just replace the last layer which was modified, right? So the consecutive upload of your Docker image will be faster. Even when you pull the Docker image, it will identify if the layer of the image is already available in your local cache. It won't download it from internet. It will just reuse the layer. So that's how it optimizes the storage as well, right? Now let's go and let's push the Docker image that we had created last time. The command to push Docker image to Docker Hub is docker push. You will specify your image name. Now in this case, JainishShah 17 is my account and image name will be node version. I'm trying to push the tag latest. Now I had previously pushed that tag, so you can see it has identified that layer already exists in Docker Hub. And if we go to Docker Hub, I will try to search for node version in my account. Sorry, let's go here. So we can see the node version is up there, and it has two tags already available, tag 2.2.13 and the latest. Now let me show you how you can re-tag image with a different version. So let me, and command to do that is docker image tag. You will provide the name of the original image and name of the image and with the new tag. So let's just say I want to use the tag 2.2 instead of 2.2.13. And if I, so my image is tagged. Now if I run docker images command, you will see that there are two images, same image with different tag, and the image ID is same because there is no difference in the layer of this image. Right, now let me push this new tag to Docker Hub, and you will see it will say the layers are identified because they already exist in Docker registry. And if I go and refresh this, you will see that the new tag has been added to this list, which is 2.2. Now the best part is my Docker image is public, which means anybody of you can pull the Docker image running Docker pull command. Actually, you will see it something like this in a public view. You will be able to pull Docker image running this command. and then uh, you can run the container by exposing port 3000. That's where my application exposes its REST API, and you will be able to visualize that running application. Right now, this is not the only Docker registry. In fact, you can run the Docker registry in your local machine as well. Now, this is the free Docker registry provided by Docker itself, which you can, run in your Mac or wherever you want to in your server. Then, apart from this, there are other companies who are providing Docker registries as well. Uh, Amazon has ECR, which is Elastic Container Registry. Then QA.io, they also provide Docker registry. Recently, when GitHub announced that they also support a Docker registry, so you can even upload your Docker images to GitHub. And obviously, there is JFrog, which is leading in repository management. They recently announced the free version of Docker registry, so you can use that as well. And this will allow you to run your Docker registry on your premises. And instead of pushing your images to Docker Hub, you might want to push it to your private Docker registry as per se. So this conclude, how we can upload or push our Docker images to Docker Hub or Docker Registry. Uh, so if you have any question, please comment, and I will try to answer all your comment. With that, we are done with this tutorial series. I might add, additional video just to cover some advanced topic on how to run container or how to link the container. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video.